啊，好的，那你忙吧，我先走了。哎呀，都12点啦，先吃中饭，吃完再说。哇，我们都聊了1个小时了，我还有事儿呢。Hello everyone， 大家好 ，Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ting. Today we will talk about how to end a conversation nicely. Have you ever encountered a situation you want to leave, but what to say? I've prepared 6 sentences, and I will show you how to use them in different situations. Let's get started. First one. 好的，那你忙吧，我先走了。All right, I'll leave you to it. I'm leaving. This one will be good for the end of the conversation, and you may say, 啊，好的，那你忙吧，我先走了。好的，那你忙吧，我先走了。Two, 我不打扰啦，您忙，有时间再聊。So, I don't bother anymore. I'll leave you to your things. Talk to you in another time. This one will be good for a social media chat. You look at your cell phone and people don't say anything, and you may say, 啊，我不打扰啦，您忙，有时间再聊。Three. 哎呀，都12点啦，先吃中饭，吃完再说。So, oh, it's 12 o'clock already. Time for lunch. We may talk after lunch. Well, this is just a good excuse that you want to end a conversation and no one cares what will happen after lunch. It's like we will see after lunch. 哎呀，都12点啦，先吃中饭，吃完再说。哇，我们都聊了1个小时了，我一会儿还有事儿呢。So, wow, we've been talking for an hour. And I've got something to do. Usually, people will let you go after you say that. But if not, you can say, 我真的得走了，我还有事儿。I really have to go because I have something to do. 哇，我们都聊了1个小时了，我还有事儿呢。Five. 行，那你再想想吧，我还有事儿，先走啦。Okay. Mull it over, and I have things to do. I gotta go. 行，你再想想吧，我还有点事儿，先走啦。Six. 今天聊得很开心，现在我要去 somewhere. 下次再约啊。It was a nice conversation today. I'm going to somewhere now, and I will see you next time. 今天聊得很开心。现在我要去公司了，现在我要去接孩子了，现在我要去超市了，下次再约啊。There you have it. 6 sentences to end the conversation. I really hope they're helpful or inspire something. And I will see you very soon. Bye.